Hi, KNES 235. I just wanted to show you kind of a sample video of what I want you to post on a discussion board on December 7th. I want you to show me something that you've done on a Friday this past semester. I'm on my outdoor elliptical. So if you sent me when you checked in with me on Friday saying that you went jogging around your neighborhood, or you did a workout in your house, or you went to the gym, you played basketball, just pick something. I don't have any specific time. I think this one's probably going to be a couple minutes, maybe like anywhere from like 2 to 3 minutes is probably a good time. But if you want to go more, you can. I'm recording this on something called Screencast-O-Matic. It's free, and then after I finish it, I can upload it to my YouTube channel. So you need to create a YouTube channel. And then from the YouTube channel, you're going to embed and share it onto the discussion board. And the assignment's due by December 7th. Here's the elliptical. I love it. I have it on my back porch. And that's how I work out. It's one of my favorite things to do. The other thing that I do is I have this exercise ball. This actually is what I sit on when I teach the Zoom classes. But I have a couple of these in my house. This one I sit on for work. I have one in the back room that I sit on, and I also I watch TV on it. I sit on it as a chair, but you can lay back on it and do crunches. You can roll out facing the floor and do push-ups with your feet on the ball. You can lay on your back and put your feet on the ball and do like a reverse crunch. I do a lot of yoga stretches with this ball. So both the elliptical and the ball I actually got for free from a house in my neighborhood that had a sign out front. They were moving, and I grabbed them both right when the quarantine happened. So they've been perfect. I've been using them for 8 months now. So that's another thing that you can put on your workout video. Another thing that I do on my back porch, because I try to be outside as much as I can, is I have a jump rope, a really nice one that I bought when I used to teach kickboxing. So this is what you can do in your video, something that you like to do. That is a workout. So I'm showing you my elliptical and my exercise ball and my jump rope. So that's just a sample. And now I'm going to see if I can get a good shot of my dogs. Because I walk my dogs every day. If you can see. I don't know. That's with the camera. Crosby. That's Crosby. Peppermint. Come here, Pep. Here comes Peppermint. Here comes Peppermint. She is my 9-year-old golden retriever. She won't be still. That. All you can see is her chest. You show her your face. Here she is. Crosby, one more ball. Okay, that's enough of dogs. Bye, guys.